Pros on the outside will be like, it's a standard K10 engine, it's not going to hold. This car is held for quite a long time. This is an old build. It's not new. And we have another one. Should I? No, never mind.
Hey baby, it's me. I know you're probably working right now. I just wanted to call you and tell you I love you. Keep changing this city, baby. I love you.
Niggas in the bag. Might come back, check with her. Who's in the bag? Might come back, check with her. They call me Bear. Hey, might come back, check. Ooh yeah, like ooh yeah, yeah 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 yeah. Might come back, check with her. Girl from the car. Won't come back, check with her. Lisa Vel. Just cut that check. Ooh yeah, like ooh yeah, ooh okay. They don't like my goal. Claim I took your soul. Talking all that bullshit. Hope you never learn from me. I've been on my way. I gotta count this K. Pulling all this money. Man, it's all so funny.
Welcome to Carbon Fields. It's been a while. I'm sorry, we all have our day jobs. We do this in our spare time. I'm sure all of you guys watched our last episode on the boosted Alto K10, the Suzuki Alto K10 turbocharged. Well, guess what? Another one. Another one. Yeah, that's right. Another boosted Alto K10. This time the real OG, the first one, the first of its kind. The one that inspired Jonathan to build his car. Mahend's Turbo Alto K10, the one that has Starler GTs for breakfast, Starler GTs for lunch, and Starler GTs for dinner. Not all, but some of them. You know what I'm saying. This car has been modified to suit Mahend's personality, Mahend's character. Unlike Jonathan's car. Jonathan's car is all-out sleeper. This one's all-out bad boy kind of car. No offense, but you know. Custom paint job, custom body kit, alloy wheels, obviously after some nice dished alloys, and lowered. All sorts of aesthetic modifications. The interior is modified. Jonathan's car had a stock steering wheel, stock gear knob, stock everything. So that was a proper sleeper, just the alloys and the tucked in intercooler. But this one has a nice OMP steering wheel, Momo gear knob, Momo pedal covers, boost gauge, Jasma boost gauge, and so yeah, everything has been, almost every part of this car has been modified. It has a nice spoiler at the back, which actually adds to the look of it. I really think it looks better than Jonathan's rear end. So this car is nothing like a sleeper, but still, it can surprise you on the road. Because I mean, if you look at it, one may think that it's just another Alto with a couple of exterior modifications, but then you do this. Yeah, that's right. Also, Mahend's running more boost. He's running 1 bar of boost, and he has upgraded his clutch to hold. This boy has also rebuilt his engine with a few Japanese bits, pistons and rods, etc. So it's pretty strong, holds well, stops okay. Turbo flutter, I love this. These cars make all the right noises. Just listen to that. I don't know if you can hear it, but oh yeah. Oh yes. It's a little dodgy, you know, because one thing is the steering wheel is actually quite small. It's really close to something like a steering wheel on a Formula car. You get these 1300 Formulas in Sri Lanka. It's similar to one of those. So It feels small, and the car is small. It's a very small car. My gosh. You hear every bit of it. From the induction sound to the flutter, the blower valve, everything. This is why most people turbocharge their cars. Look at this guy, look at this guy. Oh yeah. Yeah, you just do that. Anyways. Yeah, people turbocharge their cars for the sounds. This is what we live for. The sound of my people. My national anthem. Oh my gosh. Little dodgy on the brakes. Let's take it down here. I just can't get over how good this car sounds. Not the exhaust, but everything else. Because I personally, personal opinion, I don't like the sound of the exhaust. But mind you, this is running a 2-inch exhaust. Jonathan's running a 1.5-inch. Jonathan's running Mahin's old exhaust. So Jonathan actually got to know about this car. Mahin got this car a couple of years ago. I think about 5 years or so ago. And obviously a stock Alto didn't do. So he saved up, Bika DP Racing piping, Bika DP Racing turbo kit, Garrett 1544 turbocharger, Tier wastegate, HKS blow-off valve, ready managed blue ECU, just like in Jonathan's car, tucked in the glove box, lowered suspension, don't ask me how. So all of that, basically, it's pretty much the same. It's pretty much the same. If you haven't watched our previous video, go check it out right now. We'll include the link to that video somewhere here. Go check that out. It's almost the same. It's just the same. Just that this car doesn't look anything like a sleeper. That car, Jonathan's car, is complete sleeper. This doesn't look anything like it. And the upgraded clutch, and more boost. Yep. That's it. And it sounds almost the same. It pulls pretty much the same, just that if you actually run against Jonathan's car, this is slightly faster. Oh, nice car. S660. I find it hard to say that. I find it hard to say S660. 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 Honda S660. Yeah. The response is actually, it's amazing. It's unbelievable. There's almost no lag. This being such a small engine, this being a 3-cylinder, there's almost no lag. Hats off to the turbo kit, Bika DP Racing. I don't think anyone would have thought that one of these cars would have made such a good driver's car. This is a driver's car now. It's a fast car. So yeah, pretty interesting. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. I love you all.
Like, ooh, yeah, ooh, okay.
Keep changing this city, baby.
Stop.